All right, the fastest way to make a video for TikTok in Photoshop or PowerPoint is actually to go to Evato Elements and type in PowerPoint TikTok, and it gives you a whole list of them that you can use. And then make sure you click PowerPoint over there so you don't get a bunch of other stuff, a bunch of unnecessary things. And then you go ahead and choose the one you want and download it. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you go ahead and enable editing so that you can edit it. And click enable editing. Okay, and it opens everything up. You just go through and make your changes. Then you can add animations to it. Go ahead and add animation. Let's go ahead and fly in. You can change the animation direction by hitting here, by clicking effect options. Okay, I want it to come from the top. And say, are you a pet person? Put your information in there. Okay. Then you can go to the next slide and you can add a picture of your pet inside of here just by clicking there, clicking the box itself, and say insert pictures from stock images. Let's go with cats. Go ahead and click that, hold the shift key. Let's go ahead and group all of these by right clicking. Group. Okay, now we want to animate this whole thing coming in. Now we just go ahead and click all that by animating it. Go up here to animation and fly in. Let's fade that in. Fade in. Good deal. There's really no options for that. So you got your new collection featured this week. Brown cats only. Okay. You can swipe, you can add, you can take away, you can put in. Okay, so let's go ahead. We already did this one. Let's go ahead and animate this real fast. So let's go ahead and look at what the animation looks like. Then you click slideshow. Let's go from beginning. You hit the down arrow on your keyboard and it shows you the animation bit by bit. All right. Now we want to add more animation to that. You can. Let's go ahead and get the cat flying in from the right. Let's go ahead and insert. Sorry, you want animations. You want to, and you have a lot more animations too. You can slide in. Let's have him split in. Let's have him wipe in. Wipe in. Okay, then you can go back and look at your slideshows again and preview it, see how it's going to look. That's the first slide. And then you slide them in. Okay, so you can create this. You can then, what you do after this is go ahead and hit escape. Now, once you've completed your presentation, you go over here to where it says File. Click File. You want to export as a video. Go ahead and hit Create a Video. Then Create a Video again. And then it gives you option of saying where you want it to go. I want to go to Downloads. Bada bing. Export it out. And in a few seconds, you have a video of the whole thing. Now, I didn't select any particular sections. So let's go ahead and drag this up, open. And this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and start it over. Okay. Then you have your video. You can also record over this too. All right, good deal. Then you can record audio. You can record yourself on there also. And as long as you have a webcam. All right, thank you very much for watching and have a great day. More to come. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. PowerPoint for TikTok. Take care.